Hello friends, day 109 and I've started another long distance trail. This time it's the Cumbria Way and I have to say so far I'm pretty impressed. Some lovely easy tracks out of Carlisle and some nice open farmland, and it's also quite a busy trail. I've met quite a few people today, including Alex and Jack, who you'll meet later on, and a group of 3 who I believe are staying at the same pub that I'm in this evening, and I'm booked in for a meal as well. The only thing about the Cumbria Way that's not good is that it's got virtually no way marking. I think I've seen 2 signs all day. Tomorrow I start climbing up into the Lake District, still on the Cumbria Way, but I think it's going to get a bit tougher tomorrow. There were a couple of miles towards the end of the day through the woods that were a bit slippery and a bit hilly, but nothing I haven't dealt with before. Big storm coming in tonight, so I'm quite glad I'm not outside. Let's have a look at the Cumbria Way and I will see you on the trail.
And Alex, and we've just met Chris along our route to Carlisle. We're on our final day and it's a gorgeous day, the sun is shining and we've had the most perfect conditions. We've come through Ulverston all the way to Carlisle, nearly there. Happy days.
But the best thing is meeting Chris and telling us what he's doing.
Yeah.
It's like...
And I've met Angel Carol in Caldbeck.
We always like a good gear chat as well.